This box has cost me 1,500 euros, so it better be intact. Hello YouTube! I have received my new gaming laptop today. It's the Asus Strix Scar II, whatever that stands for. And I thought, why not open it together? Just you, me, and the box. Unboxing the laptop and then a review between my old and current gaming laptop. I'm really excited. It's huge. Whoa. Goodness me. This thing is heavy as hell. But it also looks very fancy, right? Republic of Gamers. What a cool box. Also some warning about the battery. Why not? So this is the Asus Strix Scar II GL504G. Here comes the exciting moment, right? What's inside? How do I open this? Wow. Here we go. Why do I say here we go all the time? Ugh. This is a nice box. And the laptop is covered. Wow. This is soft. Let's take it out of the box. I'm already impressed simply by the design of the box. This must be the manual. So cool. The laptop. This is what matters. It's got a fancy textile wrapping, which must be the reason why this is still in one piece, even though Amazon had not put a sticker on the box. Are you ready for the reveal? It's the first time I see it, the first time you see it, the first time we see it. Wow. But what a strange laptop this is. It isn't really what I expected. The shape and the design, it's nothing like my previous laptops. This laptop is heavier. That laptop is bigger. This laptop has an awkward alien-like design with a military pattern, but this laptop looks just like any other laptop with a dragon logo on top. This laptop doesn't open that way. This laptop has a huge screen. This laptop has a normal screen. This laptop has a funny keyboard. This laptop's got a red keyboard and lots of fingerprints. This laptop has got USB ports. This laptop too has got USB ports. This laptop can hold a unicorn on it. And this laptop can also hold a unicorn. This laptop may break if you drop it. This laptop for sure breaks if you drop it. This laptop turns on if you click on the on button. Well, this laptop hasn't got its battery charged. I think I have covered all the important specs by now. In all seriousness though, a big thanks to my Twitch community, because both laptops I got from them. This has been my best friend for a year. I have streamed a lot with this MSI computer and it's a really good one, but streaming is heavy on the computer, so I think most laptops are likely to die in a year or two. This is what happens when you stream a lot. Get a PC if you don't travel much. I can't, I'm always on the go, so I needed a laptop. And I cannot wait to start streaming with this new beast. Alien.
Oh my.